15 to 20 hours only. Okay, Salesforce is company name. Okay, the name is salesforce.com. It is also called as SFDC. Okay.
Okay.
So it provides CRM applications to its customers. Whatever the applications, their customers are getting benefit from are called as CRM application. So
Your voice
what
is
is
not
meant by
clear.
CRM? Sorry?
Your voice is not clear.
Is it fine now?
No.
I don't think any difference between. From the beginning it is like that, or only now it's changed?
It's like that.
Okay, everything is fine on my side. I don't know. Okay. Or else I can take voice over from mobile. Okay, it will take within 1 minute. No issue.
Okay.
Please give me 1 minute. I will. The applications provided by Salesforce are nothing but, out of the box it provides CRM applications. That means customer relationship management applications. Okay. So what is the purpose of having customer relationship management applications for a particular company? That may be any type of company, starting from, startup company to the large enterprise. So for every company, there should be some final product. Is it right?
Yeah.
Every company is going to provide some services or products. Okay. So that means they will have, ultimately they will have customers. So whatever the process, how they are getting customers and, so that is the process of, maintaining relationship with the products and company and as well as customers to it. Okay. So in that process, they will do some campaigns, and from that campaigns they will get leads. Okay. Campaigning, after that leads. From the campaigns they will get leads. After that they will look after opportunities from the leads. So after following up these opportunities, they may become as accounts for the company, and after that they will maintain some contracts with the accounts. Okay. So from the accounts they will again get contacts. From the contacts they will, this is the life cycle of, how the purchase is going on in the market. Okay, whatever is the product may be. So for every company, this is the basic need, and Salesforce chosen this way to sell their product and enter into the market. Okay, as a CRM applications provider. So what is the technology behind this, Salesforce and the CRM applications is cloud computing. What is it? Whatever the development, okay, and deployment and accessibility of an application, of a software application here, software, whatever the things related to the, application accessibility, deployment, development, everything done on internet. Okay, done on internet. So in older days, internet is represented with the symbol of cloud. Okay. So this is the technology that purely depend on internet and the internet browser. So that's why we call as cloud computing vendor. Salesforce is cloud computing vendor. So what are the real-time vendors for this cloud tech, which are using cloud, computing technology? And what is the benefit of using this technology? Okay, this is easy to access. Okay, and less cost. Okay, location independence. Okay, and also high security. No need to install any software. Any software to use this technology. And no need to pay extra cost. No extra cost for software updates. Okay. So these are few of the benefits of using this cloud computing technology. Okay. And so whatever the applications, okay, other than this cloud technology have some drawbacks, like they need to purchase licenses to establish a small company and to develop some application. Like to use .NET application, to develop .NET application also, you may come across several tools like database. They will use one vendor database, and for IDE they will use Eclipse or anything else like Microsoft related. Okay, and for the internet related APIs, they will use another technology like that. Okay, to host on the internet they will use Apache, Tomcat, like that. So several softwares are needed. So in real time, avoiding all the concepts, okay, whatever we are using in real time. So they introduced this cloud technology. So this is the emerging technology in the market. Okay, so there is no need to work from a particular company within our LAN. No need to. Okay, so you can work from any location all over world, throughout world. Okay, and for this you need only internet connection and internet browsers. That is enough for this. Okay, these are few benefits. So coming here, so we are talking about Salesforce. Okay, in that CRM applications, and these are the concepts, campaigns, leads, all these things, and cloud computing. So coming to the cloud models, we have several models of cloud. So SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. Okay. So if you wish to call any vendor as a cloud vendor, okay, that means that company provides cloud technologies that will be defined by whether they are supporting SaaS property, or whether they are supporting PaaS, or whether they are providing IaaS. Okay, so these are the service models of cloud. So what are these? Software as a service. So using this property of cloud technology, we will get software applications as a service, okay, from the internet. So coming here, what we are getting as a service? Platform as a service. So can you guess for IaaS what we may get? What the I may stand for? in this model? Any clue?
No.
Okay, so this is infrastructure. As a service. So as a service, what we are getting? Infrastructure. This is indirectly, okay. That means some, in real time we have Google Drive. This we can take as, infrastructure as a service model of cloud computing. And also we have Amazon, Amazon.com cloud. So what happens when you log in, when you sign up to Amazon.com cloud, right? So it will provide some free space for you, and in that free space means whatever the infrastructure they are maintaining to store the files of customers, that we are directly accessing through internet. Okay, so that is the concept of getting infrastructure as a service. So using Amazon.com, you will get free space of 5 GB like that. So if you are a public user, and after beyond that limit, you need to pay some amount to the Amazon.com. Okay. So coming here again, Google Drive is one type of infrastructure as a service we are getting through internet. Okay. So we are not installing any software to use this. Of course, we are using to simplify our task, like uploading, like that. Okay. So basically, this is the infrastructure model of the cloud. Okay. So there we are, saving our documents, any format files there. Okay. And accessing from any model, any device. Okay. Like mobile, laptop, PC. Okay. There is no dependability on, object what we are using, and there is no limit, so you can access from anywhere. Okay. And here coming platform as a service model, again Google APIs is the example in real time what we are having. So what is the purpose of having Google APIs? Google APIs is the a technology behind Android application development. Okay, so using this Google APIs, we will develop Android applications, and to use this, no need to install any software again, and using internet browser only, we will develop things. So this is a platform available where internet, that means cloud. So that's why this is the model of cloud technology. Okay, and coming to Salesforce, so Salesforce provides beautiful platform here that we call as, that they have named as Force.com platform. So this is a point and click environment. It supports both declarative and programmatic approach of developing the things. Okay. So in two ways we can develop applications. Okay. So coming to the declarative approach, so that is the useful thing, and need to know for Salesforce administrators. Okay, coming to programmatic approach. So again, Java like program is there, language, Apex language we call, and developers need to learn that language. Okay. So software as a service model. Previously we discussed about CRM applications. So this is one of the examples for this model, and as well as whatever the applications that we are, without installing any software in the real time. So namely, Gmail is one software application, so which you use it to send emails. So for this, no need to install any application. Of course, we have Android, apps for this purpose. So that is for the simplification purpose only. Okay. But we can say this as a model. So through internet browser we can access this one, and we can store our emails and as a property of infrastructure as a service model. Like this is the application, okay, for this model. So any doubts so far about this technology and service models of cloud technology?
No.
Fine. So cloud, deployment models. So deployment means where this cloud is, whatever the technologies, like we have infrastructure as a service, platform, software, where we can deploy all these things, okay? In 4 models we can deploy. So first one is public, okay? This we call as public cloud. Whatever the public access to Gmail. So this comes as a public deployment of cloud, okay? Private cloud, so only limited to some organization, okay? This cloud is limited to an org, okay? And this is just like LAN connection, okay? Not exactly LAN, I mean, and only employees of that particular organization can only access this type of clouds. That means whatever the enterprise Google apps, okay, you may heard about this thing. So this is not for public users, only organizations, they will pay for it and they will make use of them, okay. And coming to community. So what is this community cloud? So all of us may be included in any one of the community, like customers, okay, customer cloud, or developers, like that. Specific purpose we have different communities, and whatever the related information is shared, exchanged between developers, okay. So we need to sign up, and only the developers will exchange the information between among them, okay. So for example, I am a Dell customer, okay. I have a issue with the warranty related things, okay. So there will be one community for that, Dell customers community, and there I will exchange my issue. So already Dell employees also there, so they will reply to my post, and they will come to me and resolve my issue, okay. So this is not for public and any other organization. This is for maintaining good relation with the customers, or develop skills. So like that, Salesforce is having one community, so that we call as success.salesforce.com. So this is the community site, and where you will you can sign up, and you can ask queries. All the developers or existing customers of Salesforce will interact with you, and they will post their answers there, okay. And after that, we have hybrid cloud. So this is combination of any two of the above discussed, okay. So it may be hybrid, means the combination of public or private community, okay. So these are the 4 models. So till now we are discussing about cloud technology and how this deployed in the market, like that. So coming to Salesforce. So as I said, Salesforce came into the market as a CRM application provider, CRM apps provider. So few CRM apps of Salesforce, called as sales, marketing, okay, and charter, call center, So these are the few CRM applications. Okay, and among them, sales being the number one leader in the market. Okay, so in SLA business, Salesforce. Okay, Salesforce automation. So this is the application, and this is the number one in the market in that particular area. Okay, since 10 years. Okay, for 10 years. So it's been the leader. So you can check this information on Gartner Magic Quadrants. Okay, you can see about Salesforce feature there. Okay, so Salesforce is a leader, not competitor like that. So this is the leader in the market in this particular technology, and in the cloud application technology also it is very good, and for 7 years it is the leader. Okay, that's it. So these are the applications. What is the purpose of these applications, and is there any restriction to use for every company, whatever sign up with Salesforce? Not at all. So Salesforce has products like, different products Salesforce is having. So let me show. So this is the Salesforce site, right? In that, go through products and pricing information so that you will come to know. So these are the products, what they have: sales, service, marketing, community, analytics, apps, Internet of Things, like that. Okay. And this is the pricing information, how much they will charge per user per month. Okay. Starting from $25, they will charge up to $300 based on the editions the user is and the benefits of features provided by within the edition. Okay. So like that, sales is one application, service is. So these are the applications: sales, call center, marketing. All these things are out of the box standard applications. Okay. What about remaining? Remaining are developed by the user. Okay. So according to your organization needs, out of the box you will get applications like sales, marketing, whatever I have mentioned here. So these are the out of the box applications. Okay, once you have signed up with Salesforce, so you will get all these applications. And after came into the market, Salesforce, introduced one platform. So that is Force.com platform, as I said. So this is a platform. Using this, Salesforce allows its users, okay, to configure the already, given applications. Okay, whatever the applications provided by Salesforce. So starting from the introduction of this Salesforce, Force.com platform. So using this platform, users can modify their, features that the applications is having. Okay, out of the box. And after that, so it also enables users to develop their own, applications. That means custom applications they can develop using this Force.com platform. So this is basically point and click environment on which you can able to do application development, okay, database table creation, and interface, everything, okay, using only point and click environment. So as a Salesforce administrator, you will learn about all the options, okay, that are there for the development, okay, of applications as a model of declarative approach. Declarative approach of application development. So this thing will be learned, and this is a thing what the administrator will do once they get the job, okay. So they will do not only the things like what the real-time administrators do, so not only about the tool and the user management. In addition to that, declarative approach of application development is also necessary for the Salesforce administrators. So what is this declarative approach and what is inside this thing means? So this is everything can be done by point and click environment. Point and click environment. So using those tools, you will develop applications. Okay. So like, let me create one database table here. So this is one application demo app, okay, AUG. So in this application, I'm going to create one database table, okay. So this is the build, okay. Under that, I have create. I'm clicking on objects. So in Salesforce database table is nothing but object, okay. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, okay, fine. So here in Salesforce, okay, we call a database table as a object. So whatever the database table, that is useful for the, records saving purpose. So that is database object here. So only by providing the information, okay, like database table name, so that is display label here, and this is for interface purpose to create interface later on, and after that this is the database for storing purpose about this table. So here what I am doing, demo object, okay, and I can give any name, no issue in this. So one database table created, okay. So for that we will create some interface and we will append to this application. Later on we can able to use that database table to store our records in this format, okay. After created, that will be, this is the interface to access the database table. So when I click on, let me take another object which is having some details there. I'm selecting sales. So here my accounts object is there. Okay, all these are records there in my database table. So to access this, no need to install any applications, okay? Within the browser, within the internet browser only, I'm storing, I'm deploying and accessing the details. So that's why this is called as cloud technology, okay? So for the practice purpose also, no need to install anything and no need to access any server details like that. So you will sign up to, I will take you through the sign up activities, and you will get one permanent Salesforce ID, okay, and you can do the daily practice, okay. And in the declarative approach, we will learn about this type of development activities, like we will learn about, developing objects, applications, tabs, everything. So we will work with page layouts, okay, and workflow rules for the automation purpose, and alerts like email alert, outbound messages, okay, and updating fields, tasks, assigning tasks to some other user when something happened, and approval process, how we can do this approval process, and when something approved, what should happen, when something rejected, what should happen, okay. So all these things will be configured as a Salesforce administrator, okay. All these are, you may work upon anything, we can't sure. And we will learn about reports, how we can build reports, how many types of reports, okay. So we have table, so this is the basic report format, and we have summary, matrix format we have, and also joint format, okay, and dashboards and analytic snapshots, okay. And we have Web2 lead, Web2 case concepts, like that, okay. So all these things, for the purpose of administering the things that are provided by Salesforce, okay. So these are the main features, and so most of the customers to Salesforce, attracting through any one of the features, like they may like approval process that provided by Salesforce, or schema builder that Salesforce is having, or real-time reports that it provides, okay, anything. So, and we have things like, let me tell you. So inbuilt, okay, data import or data export wizards or tools, okay. So out of the box, we are getting all these things for every user, and we can manage users in our organization, managing users, and managing data accessibility, okay, among users in the organization and data within the organization, and assigning profiles, changing the permission sets, roles, okay, and restricting the user's login, okay, user login. So all these things, Okay, all these things will be covered within time. Okay, so if you can follow regularly and completing the assignments whenever I provide, and I will provide some dumps to you. So if you are preparing for certification exam also, I can support you so that you can easily pass that in first attempt. So for certification, it will cost around exactly $200. Okay, for the first time. So for second attempt, no need to think of second attempt. So it will again it will be charged by $100 like that. Okay, total 3 attempts will be there. After that, you need to change the email like that. Okay, that also we can support. So if you have any queries related to the details, and if anything missing what you are expecting from Salesforce, okay, please let me know so that I can explain clearly. Okay.
Okay.
So have you any queries regarding this course or content that will be going to cover, so that we can very clear about what will be covered?
So these are the points we're going to finish for administration, right?
So these are the main concepts. In addition to this, we have some other concepts. So we'll follow some sequence. We have particular course content I will share with you after this session completes. Okay, whatever the concepts will be going to cover, and it will take around 15 to 25 sessions. Okay, so that is basically I will check whether my student is following or anything is lacking. Okay, or anything missing to do assignments in time. For that, it will take some time to analyze the capability.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah,
I will share the course content with Raidu. He will share with after this session.
Okay.
Okay. So if you can, if you have any queries, or when we are planning to take up the regular sessions, so that we can good and schedule sessions and allocate some slot for you.
Yeah, maybe next month.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Yeah, maybe next Monday morning, India time evening, and US time morning, Eastern time.